All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I'm doing the recap for today.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
I had a lost day. I'm kind of sick and it's very difficult for me to wake up in the mornings, and I came late and I really couldn't find anything to trade. When I came half an hour late, I started trading NVDA, which wasn't really in play, and I just had to accept a couple of loss on that. And that just shows an example of when you're not on time and you find a stock that is not in play, no matter how good of a trader you are, it doesn't work, and you just get chopped up. So let's go through that quickly. Well, S&P 500 is almost at all-time high. Yesterday, on Monday and Tuesday, especially Tuesday, they had the biggest capital inflow in there. Like $20 billion, $25 billion went into S&P 500. It means that there is a lot of funds are underinvested, and they're all rushing, to get back into something. Especially at the end of the year, they have to, do the reporting and everything soon. I myself included too. I'm kind of underinvested in my fund, but it is what it is. You never catch the bottom, you never catch the top. And you never really, that's why beating the market by itself is so difficult, because you never really sit on that 100% all the time. So the trades today, I mean, we had good trading day. Don't get me wrong, that it wasn't a really bad trading day. Like we had Paris, for example, that had a really, really nice trade on the Google, really nice consolidation. He adds this on these micro pullbacks and eventually catches this really nice move at 139 to 141. This is again at 945 to 10. So that's his trading for those of you who follow Paris, and his trading based on order flow. This is AMD also as well. He shorts above this VWAP on these pullbacks, and gets this really nice move. So there are moves, but I just couldn't find any. For me, the biggest loss for me was NVDA. So I went long NVDA, for the break of high of the day, added a little bit more, really held this stop loss below this 496.50. Eventually the volume came in significantly with a very, very, very big ask, and I'm actually show you the big ask. I took the screenshot on that, and instead of partialing here, I was up really like a couple of $1,000s on that. Instead of partialing, I got greedy, and I said, not greedy, I don't think I had made a bad decision. I added more to my position just below 500. I actually took the screenshot on that. I think where is my screenshot? Did I? Oh, I think I did. I don't know. I don't have it here. Maybe I didn't press maybe it's on my draft. Maybe it's in my drafts. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I thought that I took that $500 screenshot. But anyways, so instead of partialing, I added, and then I got stopped out when it came, really lost the momentum. And then I went long again. I thought that this time it's going to go up, got stopped out. One more time, popped up, and I got it stopped out. So as you see, 3 times, and it really doesn't give you that thing. It's just not in play. It's in this choppiness, and it just goes up and goes down. It says, I'll go start trading, and you really should stay away from it. Amazon was a nice trade that I tried to catch a break of 155. There was a huge ask on it sitting there, but I got out of it. It really did eventually broke 50 cents. I didn't get that one on the quick scalp. There's another one that I did to Tesla. Again, I was late for all of these really nice early morning moves. I tried to, scalp Tesla for the break of 259.50, but I got out of it because I just really didn't feel that, I have a good entry. And I'm glad I got out of it, because even though it popped up more, it really sold off. So you really don't want to chase it around this area. So it's okay for me, a $7,000 loss, trading something that wasn't in play. It's just perfect, good example of, first of all, you have to show up, be on time, and don't trade something that is not in play. Even though NVDA has always been in play for a long period of time, you just want to stay away from it. Thord, you said you don't have any trade to share because you really didn't do anything this morning.
Yeah, I have. So this morning the market opened up and, kind of in a range where I like to sell more so than otherwise. So I really didn't have a lot going on this morning, but a couple of break evens. I'm in two positions right now, which is I'm short Microsoft from 375, which was basically the opening price. Still holding, no partials yet, and I'm also short SPY from which I just entered that short not too long ago when it started to top out here. But no profit on board for me as of yet, other than I had a little bit of I had a long on the MNQ, which is the micro E-mini futures. I took a long on in pre-market and held a couple of those through the rally today. So I made a little money on some futures, but so far equities haven't been performing for me just yet.
And I like that. I like the fact that you are a versatile trader, in equities and futures and everything. Sometimes, there are some period of time that, you don't get much trading in one area, but there are other sectors are providing, or other instruments are providing you opportunity. I like that. You don't want to be too diversified. Like, there are some traders that they say, I'm an expert in everything, Forex, crypto, you name it, everything I'm an expert. Like, you can't be like that. You really need an area of expertise. At the same time, just focusing only on one single type can impact you, because there are periods in every asset class that nothing is happening and you're bored as hell, and that forces you to do over trading.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And so yesterday I had a really nice webinar on WeBapp. It was a good discussion. So the recording is uploaded on the Education Center for all elite members. And today we have psychology webinars. I think Randy Howe is today, yes? Let's go to the webinars. I think usually the last Wednesday of the month is Randy Howe. Today, December 20. Oh, actually, Michael is there. So Michael Barr, he's so Mike is next week is Randy Howe. Yeah, Randy usually is the last Wednesday of the month. So Michael is giving the presentation. New Year, New Heights is setting smart goals for a successful start. That's amazing. And I like that the smart. It's like a very U.S. military type of thing. Smart goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Just setting up a goal doesn't mean anything. You have to have that smart in there. And this is actually a known topic for all the decision making and the performance coaches. Anyways, guys, so see you tonight in the webinar, and talk to you soon, guys. Ciao.